So we're looking today at one of the more tedious, time-consuming and perhaps boring jobs of the year, which is cleaning up the sides of the drive and basically blowing up the leaves and tidying the drive up and the paths up for the winter. And it's a job that there is no real machine that can do it. It requires hand shoveling, as you see here, to get all the leaves and any soil that's dropped down from the banks basically cleaned out and ready to go to move the debris and the leaves down to the lower side of the drive, where they'll rot away quietly and provide a good set of leaf mould and compost for the camellias which are growing there. So having completed the digging out of the debris from beside the drive, we now move on to stage 2, where we're going to push this pile of leaf and rotted leaves and twigs and whatever down across the drive and then tidy up afterwards with the leaf blower. So a time-consuming but efficient way of doing a tricky and tedious job and doing it well.